हमें नी जॉइंट के रिलेटेड कुछ भी इंजुरीज हो रहा है या रिलेटेड टू योर हिप, देयर इज एनी एक्स एंड पेन, I personally look into the foot of the athlete because foot stability बहुत जरूरी है. अगर वो foot stability proper नहीं है then definitely वो जो पूरा linkage है over the body that gets disrupted. So foot में mainly अपने को दो चीजें बहुत अच्छे से important है. That is when you talk about the foot there is something known as tripod. तो अभी ये जो great toe है, great toe के नीचे का ये जो ball of the foot है, this is your first point. Then your little toe, the ball of the foot of that, and the third one is the heel. तो ये तीन points जो है, the 3 points are your main contact points whenever you are standing, whenever you are squatting, या whenever you are running, jumping, sprinting, doing whatever activities. तो इनका जो है the way they come in contact with the floor is very very sequential. It's not that they always come in contact at once. They come in a proper sequence. तो वो अगर सीक्वेंस आपके बॉडी में प्रॉपरली बिल्टअप हो गया then definitely the link, the kinetic chain gets fired and the risk of injuries go down. तो अभी इसको कैसे एक्टिवेट करते हैं? Because for me foot is very important because that is the main first area of your body which comes in contact with the ground. So you have to know that there is something known as short foot exercise. Now usually बहुत सारे लोगों को short foot exercise मालूम रहेगी जहाँ पे you put the heel here, flare your toes and then place the entire foot so that your tripod is nicely in place. You hold this position, slightly bend the knee and look at this arch. This arch should get lifted up. So you have to cue the athlete to lift the arch, pressing the tips of the fingers down and ये जो ग्रेट टो है ये कांटेक्ट में रहना चाहिए. तो पूरा ट्राइपॉड कांटेक्ट में है एंड आर्च को अपन ने लिफ्ट कर लिया है. मेंटेन दैट विद द बेंट नी. ये एक्सरसाइज को बोलते हैं शॉर्ट फुट. पर मेरा जो तरीका है व्हेन आई गिव इट टू माय पेशेंट, आई वांट इट टू बी एक्स्ट्रा बेटर. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई एक्टिवेट दिस, आई आस्क देम टू गेट दिस मसल वर्किंग. इसके साथ साथ नाउ लुक इट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट व्यू. द मोमेंट आई गेट इनटू द शॉर्ट फुट, look my knee has moved outwards. Can you see this movement? Now this knee should be exactly over my second toe. That's what is the alignment I always look for all my athletes. So rotate. The knee is falling here. You rotate the knee, maintain it there. That rotation happens from your glutes. So this is the knee. You are moving it out from the glutes. You are not abducting it. ये करोगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं है उसका. तो इधर मेंटेन रखो, घुमाओ वो नी को from your glutes so that you feel a nice stretch on your adductors. A little 5% of stretch or some feeling will be there on your adductors as well as on your hamstring. And जैसे glute तक गए हो उसके बाद you should be able to pull your tummy in, that is pelvis in, and get your transverse abdominis connected. So आपकी अभी body from your foot, it is completely connected to your core and that is something which is very critical in all the exercises whichever you do. If you are doing a squatting or lunging या you are doing a plyometric jump या speed training कोई कर रहे हो, in every aspect ये जो foot से लेके core तक का जो sequence है ये बहुत जरूरी है. And इसको अगर आप करोगे तो definitely the injuries risk will go down and obviously your performance is going to be better क्योंकि आपकी kinetic chain बहुत अच्छे से fire हो रही है.